गोंयांतल्या तरणाट्यांक आर्मीन नोकरी मेळची म्हूण खास भरतीचें आयोजन केलां. आर्मी भरती संदर्भात 17 ते 27 नोव्हेंबरा मेरेन रत्नागिरी हांगा जातली. गोंयांतले 2 जिल्हे आनी महाराष्ट्रांतल्या 6 जिल्ह्यां खातीर आर्मीन भरती करपा संदर्भात खास रॅलीचें आयोजन केलां. गोंयांतल्यान वेंचिल्ल्या उमेदवारां खातीर खास सोय आसतली, अशी माहिती आर्मीचो अनुराग सक्सेनान पणजेन घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत म्हायती दिल्या.
We are looking for entry at the soldier level into the Indian Army. We have various trades which are, I'll be able to list it out. And this basically, as you look on the view file, this is about a career in the Indian Army. We are open to recruitment from any male citizen of the country. The site the procedure has been made online. So we have a site called joinindianarmy.nic.in, which is the place where candidates can themselves, sitting at Goa, sitting at their home station, they can register, they can find out their eligibility, they can fill up the details, and they will be given the admit card or the hall ticket, as we say, for the recruitment rally. The basic requirements are of physically fit male candidates right now, presently. I can also mention in passing that the Indian Army has now opened opportunities for the women candidates to join, for which separate rally in the military police. The rally has been conducted recently and will again be held in this coming recruiting year. Coming on to the various trades, so we have the soldier GD, that is the soldier general duty, the person who joins the army as a sepoy or as a jawan and can join the infantry, artillery, all the fighting arms and the services. Then we have the soldier technical. As we know that the nature of war, the nature of army is changing, so we have a requirement of technical graduates. Now army gives very specific training to its technical graduates, whether be it in the Corps of Signals, from which I am, or from the Corps of Engineers, the Corps of Electrical Mechanical Engineers, the Army Aviation, the Army Air Defence, as well as in all arms, because we are moving towards a very technical army. For that also we have a separate entry which is called the soldier technical. We also have a entry for soldier technical for aviation. That is, aviation is the helicopters. We have our own aviation wing, and even some fixed wing aircrafts are there, as well as for the ammunition examination. We also have for AMC, that is the medical, and we train our boys who join the army to become nursing assistants, to become operation theatre. They are capable in every way. The competency is part of the Army's responsibility to provide anyone who joins the Indian Army. So I would like to say for the youth of Goa that the Army is a very adventurous, challenging and a satisfying and a fulfilling opportunity to join. We also have requirements of clerks, requirements of people to join the storekeeper technical, as well as the sepoy pharma, which is also this time for people who have done their D pharma, B pharma, they can join the army and become pharmacists. Finally, we also have the soldier tradesman category, for which the chef, the other trades are open. And the age limit is also there from 17.5 to 21 years for the soldier GD trade, whereas we have for the soldier tradesman in the technical, we have age limit going on to 23 years of age. Apart from that, certain other trades like soldier surveyor, cartographer, which is a very important and emerging technique, whether in civil or in defense forces, is there. So with this I would like to say that if one has to join the Indian Army, what is the procedure? Firstly, the registration for the current year is on. So I would again like to repeat that the interested youth of Goa can just go online through any cyber cafe or sitting at their home and go to joinindianarmy.nic.in. They'll be asked to just register their details as a new candidate, and they can fill in the details. They'll be prompted to check their eligibility for the various trades I have just mentioned. So they just have to click on a button, check eligibility, and they will be told, yes, you are eligible for this trade based on their marks, based on the subjects and the age. Once they have clicked on the eligibility and they found they are fit, they can further apply at the same time. Now the last date of registration, this registration is already open. The last date of this registration is the most important thing. It is by 1st of November 2019. So we have enough time. This process takes not more than half an hour, and I am very sure that the educated youth of Goa should try their opportunity to exploit this opportunity to join the Indian Army. Thereafter, they will be asked to carry, the details will be self-sufficient. An admit card would be issued to them on their email IDs directly, so that they will not have to go to any other office to get the admit cards. A specific date will be given. I will say that in my capacity as a director recruiting, I will ensure that the candidates of Goa are given a specific day from 17th to 27th, based on the footfall, based on the number of people who are coming. We'll give them a specific day so that they know that they can come in batches. They'll be accommodated very well.
गोंयांतल्यान चडशा तरणाट्यांनी आर्मीन येवचें. आर्मीच्या भरती खातीर आर्मीच्या संकेतथळाचेर वचून 1 नोव्हेंबरा पयलीं नोंदणी करची अशें कळयलां.
17 ते 27 नोव्हेंबराक रत्नागिरीक इंडियन आर्मीन रिक्रुटमेंट रॅली दवरल्या आनी ही रॅली महाराष्ट्रांतल्यो 6 डिस्ट्रिक्ट आनी गोंयच्यो 2 डिस्ट्रिक्ट धरून इतल्या खातीर मर्यादीत आसतली. ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन सद्या ओपन आसा, सो त्या प्रमाणे गोंयचो कितें रिस्पॉन्स आसतलो त्या प्रमाणे तुमकां थंय स्लॉट दितले अमक्या दिसा 17 ते 27 नोव्हेंबरा भितर खंयच्याय एक दीस तुमकां ते स्लॉट घालतले गोंया खातीर. आनी गोंयच्या तांकां एक आमकां आर्मीन आमचे गोंयचे तरणाटे जाय तेन्ना आमकांय सिलेक्शन जावपाचे चान्सीस चड आसा, कित्याक प्रोपोर्शनेटली आमकांय कितें तरी प्रेफरन्स दितले ते गोंयच्या लोकांक. म्हणून जशे गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांनी एअरफोर्स रॅलीक जसो प्रतिसाद दिल्लो तसोच तांणी ह्याय हाका खूब प्रतिसाद दिवचो आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणान येवचें. आनी एक इम्पॉर्टंट की 1 नोव्हेंबराच्या पयलीं प्लीज तुमचें ऑनलायन रजिस्ट्रेशन करात.